In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix accounts restricted in WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So it looks like this message says your account is restricted right now, and you can still answer calls and reply to new messages, but you cannot start new chats and use some other features, they say. So if you think that you got this message when you didn't do anything wrong, like spam or bulk messaging or anything like that, then you can fix it by contacting support. So you can just open WhatsApp and then click on settings at the bottom right. Scroll down until you see help and feedback. And then over here, click on help center. And then over here, just scroll all the way down until you see contact us. So click on it. And then over here, you'll see the WhatsApp support chat. And here you can directly message support. And once you message, you'll get a ticket and then an actual employee or WhatsApp member will come over and help you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.